Good day. In today's markets, we see that a lot of companies and public organizations struggle with the concept of value, how they can help their customers. Within Capgemini Invent, we have a group that's dedicated to value creation. And today I'm sitting down with Arjen Krijt, who's heading this group from Invent the Netherlands. Arjen, welcome.
Thanks, Chris.
So to start out, what is it that clients ask you?
Well, we see that clients see different trends and developments in the market. Take, for instance, digitization. They feel that they can create additional value using digitization, but they don't exactly know how much value, what this value is, or how to approach such a transformation. We help them in answering those questions.
And then the question, of course, is how do you do that?
Well, we do that by 3 steps. First, we define what value is and how to align the strategy based on this value definition. Second, we look at all the different stakeholders and define specific sets of targets and objectives for these stakeholders so that they can create an alignment and that they have alignment and they can create a synergy towards working together to achieving these strategy that we set in the first place. And thirdly, we create the target operating model for the organization. So we define how information should be exchanged, between whom, we define processes, and of course we take the culture of the organization into account to make an operating model that actually helps them to create the value that they want to create.
We've said the word a couple of times now, but it's a little bit of pink elephant in the room. So what is it that we actually mean with value?
Well, very good question, and indeed value is pretty much at the center of everything that we do. We define value from the perspective of the customer. So not from our client, but from the actual customer of our client, which can be externally, somebody paying for a service or a product, or it can be an internal customer. Take, for instance, a business department that's being serviced by an IT department. We interact with our clients, and together with them we define what value is for their customers. And this value is at the center of everything that we do, and should be the starting point for defining the strategy for the private organization, who of course want to make more money, or for the public organizations who want to service their citizens the best way that they can.
And you already said that you see some trends in the market. What are the major trends that your team currently works on?
But currently we see 3 main trends, and I think I named the first one already. We see digitization, data, and sustainability. First of all, digitization, we see that there's a next phase starting in automation. The dependency on IT is increasing because clients can do more using IT information systems, both internally to further automate their processes, but also externally to service their clients better and through multiple channels. Second, since we are depending more on IT, organizations are generating more data. Now, many organizations understand that they can do more with this data, but they don't know exactly what and how to generate value with this data. We help them answering these questions, and of course we offer smart solutions to actually use this data for analysis, for improving services. And thirdly, sustainability. Both stakeholders, but also customers and governments are demanding more when it comes to sustainability. We see that stakeholders and clients want to understand the footprint of the products that they buy. They want to know where the products come from. And governments, organizations, both on a local level but also in the European Union, are pushing for CO2 reduction, are pushing for less use of plastic, etc. We help organizations, both private and public, defining their goals when it comes to sustainability and defining the right programs and right projects to invest in to achieve these goals.
Thank you for your time and your vision. If you'd like to know more, please contact Arjen or one of the other ones of his team. Thank you for watching, and until the next time.